To make a PCV, you will need an anticoagulant blood sample. Gently invert the tube to remix the blood. You will need 2 microhematocrit tubes. These tubes will be filled by capillary action. Dip one end of the tube into your blood sample and then hold the whole lot on the side until you have blood flowing up your microhematocrit tube. You need to fill the tube almost completely, just below the red stop line that is on one end of the tube. Wipe the outside of the tube clean with a paper towel, taking care not to snap the tube. Plug one end with a wax plasticine such as Critaseal. Repeat the procedure for a second microhematocrit tube. Place your tube into the centrifuge with the plug end facing outwards. The second tube must be placed into the centrifuge directly opposite the first tube in order to balance. Place the lid onto the centrifuge and gently tighten down. Close the lid and set to spin for 5 minutes at 10,000 RPM. Your sample is now separated into red cells and plasma. Place the sample onto a PCV reader and line up the bottom of the red cells with the 0 line and the top of the plasma with the 100 line. Once you are lined up correctly, follow the line where the red cells meets plasma across to the scale on one end to read off your packed cell volume. Always read your second tube as double check before disposing into the sharps.